Welcome again to Budget with Brian and to my current project. We've reported so far on the base, but we've come a long way since then, although that wasn't too many weeks ago, 2-3 weeks maybe. Here we are, we've got the frame erected and we are felted and battened, which means we're dry inside and the tiler can start tiling fairly shortly and we can get on with the brickwork. The weather is turning, so we've needed to press on. The clocks are going to turn back, so we're going to need some more lighting. So why don't you come on inside and I'll show you what we've done inside in preparation to make sure that we can work when it gets a bit colder. So the first thing we've done is we've built polythene up in all of the windows, and that makes for less wind blowing through the building and chilling us all to the bone. Here we've built a temporary staircase. I've had a couple of comments and saying that's not the end of the real staircase you're going to finish up with, to which I've joked, yeah, I'm going to veneer that. But it is a temporary staircase to save us walking up and down ladders. You notice too, we've got some lighting in now, and that means that we can cope with working after the clocks change. Inside here, we've primed all of the fascia boards and soffit boards, and they're going to be black. We're going to have black guttering, so I'm hoping that's going to look very smart, with a white shiplap hardy board finish on some of it and brickwork on the rest. Come upstairs, I'll show you upstairs. It's still light up there, got lights to fit yet, but come and have a look. So here we are upstairs. You can see how much wood has gone into the construction. We've got this floor that can withstand water for 3 months. We're covered in, so it doesn't matter. You've got bedroom 3 behind you. Study bedroom 4 over here. Then you've got bedroom 3 here, and of course we're having fitted wardrobes in here. And then you've got the main bathroom, which is here. Ensuite, which is here. And the master bedroom, which is here.